Chatgpt versus Gemini. In this video, we are finding out which of them can code a better Minecraft Java Edition add-on from scratch. The rules are simple: 30 minutes on the clock, and the one who makes the best item wins this round. So let's start with Gemini.
I want to make a walking Minecraft Java Edition add-on from scratch on JavaScript. Can you write the code for a new custom tool that has unique ability when using it, including crafting recipe? I want you to give me the item scripts and the item file so I can just copy and play.
So 30 minutes timer and go. Gemini giving us an incredibly fast answer, and we have the storm caller. Strike a lightning bolt in the exact block you are looking at, damaging the enemies in the area. And to create this, we need diamond, gold, and a blaze rod. Wow, this is sick. Now let's copy the code over and look how the item actually works. So we are just copying the startup script to our library, and actually I don't know which item can sound more tough than the storm caller. Now we are following the same steps with the server script. I guess it contains the recipe, the logic part, the mechanics of the item. Let's save our script in another folder called server scripts. Here we go. And now we need to create the texture pack for our item. We have generated it, and let's see how it looks. Oh, it's really small and I like it. So everything is set up. Let's test it out in Minecraft. Let's see. I really hope there is no any errors, like at all. Oh yeah, no errors. We have 20 minutes left. Let's restart. Yeah, we're still having the same error. So let's fix it up. And yeah, we had an error due to our file location. I put the file in another folder, so there is no errors, but we don't have an ability. Let's fix it up.
We don't have the ability, just a good damage.
So we have 11 minutes left. Let's fix it up as fast as possible because I want to test the ability. Yeah, we had an error. Let's copy the code. And let's test the ability on the first mob we're gonna see. Oh my god, poor doggy. I hope no one gonna blame me for this. Let's make one more test on the tree. Oh, oh my god. Yeah, and as you can see, there is no any cooldown. We can just spam the attack. Let's fix it up. Let's update our code part and test it out. Yes, so the first attempt was the failed one. We have 4 minutes left. Let's try it one more time. And as you can see, we have the same error. Like, we can just use the attack with no reloading time, just spamming it on the trees, mobs, and everything. The lightning. Oh, interesting. So it has range attack, and we can harm ourselves. Wow. Let's. Oh, oh. Yeah, so we gonna die, right? We have less than a minute left. Yeah, yeah. So I guess there is no point of fixing it up as we are running out of time. Let's just enjoy the process. It's really satisfying to look at, especially in the creative mode. Let's put a warden. As we ran out of time, I'm gonna rate this item as known as 6 out of 10 because the idea, the mechanics is really cool. I like it, but the cooldown problem, it's really a large job. And now we are moving on to ChatGPT and its suggested item. Moving the same way this time, we inserted the exact prompt into ChatGPT. And now we have the Oops Shovel and its unique ability Launching a shockwave. Wow, this is really sick. I like it. Let's copy and paste it. Not gonna lie, I think that ChatGPT has every chance to beat Gemini because the suggested item seems very convenient and can be really essential in certain situations, especially if you are a miner and playing in survival mode. I also like that ChatGPT broke the code down into many small pieces so we can figure out exactly at what point something went wrong. Moving to our recipe, copying it, and putting right into the same logic part. And I don't know, it's really having model like in 3 strings. Think that it's just recording the file name, and we need to make the exact same name in our PNG file, which we gonna generate right now. Can you generate for us the texture of the shovel 16 by 16 in PNG resolution? We accidentally gave ChatGPT a 2-minute head start, but actually I don't think that will be that big of an advantage. So let's just keep going and generating the item texture. And I really like that it has. Oh, where, where is it? Wait. Let's download it. Maybe we will see it in the file. Ah, nice. Wow. We just have a blank PNG file. Thank you, ChatGPT, for making blank files for me. I don't know. Let's try once more. And I hope that we will have the results this time. I really liked what I saw back then. Like the amethyst colors on the shovel were really cool to see. Yeah, and we have spent almost 2.5 minutes for generating a blank file. Okay, let's see. I can notice the same texture and the same error. It's blank again, like 2 times in a row. What am I doing wrong? I can't understand this. Yeah, it's literally the same. I guess there is a possibility that the file isn't actually blank one. So let's just test it out straightly in Minecraft. Let's see. The loading is really too long. Let's join our world, and we end up with one more error. Let's fix it up in our coding structure. Let's come back and reload. And we ended up with one more error. I guess the problem is in the texture pack. Let's regenerate this, and yeah, we finally have the right texture. Let's put it in our folder, rename it as ChatGPT asked the oops shovel, and come back with one more reload. Yeah, we finally got this. I like how the shovel looks. It the speed is the same as the ordinary shovel, and we can notice the ability and the cooldown. But let's try the ability in some more specific place. And after a long search, I found a spot with a small elevation, and we can jump to test our new item. And as you can see, it really works well. Let's try again. Oh my, I'm so clumsy. Let's try once more. And yeah, it's really interesting. Let's try to craft this in the creative mode. And using 2 iron ingots, 2 sticks, and 1 obsidian. And yeah, we have our item, the oops shovel. Let's test it out in the creative mode with a large cave, as you can see. And wow, this is really insane. I have the parachute and the shovel just in one item. So since all the parts are working and we can craft the shovel at the crafting table, I'm rating this item an honest 9 out of 10. Why not 10? I don't know. I personally prefer more offensive items. But yeah, the winner of the round is definitely ChatGPT.